Hi students, in my last video you have learned boat and stream problem. Students, let us learn some problems on this topic. Here a boat travels 180 km in downstream in 10 hours. If the speed of the stream is 6 km per hour, find the time taken by the boat to travel 120 km in still water. Here the distance traveled is 180 km and time taken equal to 10 hours. Therefore, speed of the boat in downstream equal to distance by time taken kilometer per hour, that is 180 by 10 kilometer per hour, that is 18 kilometer per hour. Therefore, speed of the boat in downstream equal to 18 kilometer per hour. Here, the speed of the stream is 6 kilometer per hour. Given that the speed of the stream equal to 6 km per hour. Therefore, speed of the boat in still water equal to speed of the boat in downstream minus speed of the stream equals to 18 minus 6 kilometer per hour, that is 12 kilometer per hour. Students, here we get speed of the boat in downstream equal to 18 kilometer per hour, and given that speed of the stream equal to 6 kilometer per hour. Therefore, speed of the boat in still water equal to 12 kilometer per hour. Hence, time taken equal to the boat travels 120 kilometer in still water. Therefore, time taken equal to distance by speed. Distance by speed equal to 120 kilometer by what is the speed of the boat in still water is 12 kilometer per hour by 12 hour equal to 10 hours. Students, let us consider the problem. If a boat takes 5 hours longer to travel a distance of 60 km upstream than to travel the same distance downstream, then find the speed of the boat in still water if the speed of the stream is 3 km per hour. Here given the speed of the stream is 3 km per hour. We have to find the speed of the boat in still water. Let x kilometer per hour be the speed of the boat in still water. Therefore, the speed of the boat downstream equal to speed of the boat plus speed of the stream, kilometer per hour. We know the speed of the boat downstream equal to speed of the boat in still water plus speed of the stream. Again, the speed of the boat upstream equal to x minus 3 kilometer per hour, because we know the speed of the boat upstream equal to speed of the boat minus speed of the stream. Therefore, it is x minus 3 kilometer per hour. Here given the boat travel 60 kilometer. That is the distance of AB. Suppose the distance is 60 kilometer. Therefore, time taken in downstream equal to distance by speed, that is x plus 3 hour, and time taken while traveling upstream equal to 60 by x minus 3 hour. Students, here given the boat takes 5 hours longer to travel a distance of 60 kilometer upstream. Therefore, we can write 60 by x minus 3 minus 60 by x plus 3 equal to 5. This implies that 60 into x plus 3 minus 60 into x minus 3 by x plus 3 into x minus 3 equal to 5. This implies that 60x plus 180 minus 60x plus 180 equal to 5 into x square minus 9. Here x plus 3 into x minus 3 equal to x square minus 9, and we have taken cross multiplication. Therefore, we can cancel 60x minus 60x. This implies that 360 equal to 5x square minus 45, or 5x square equal to 360 plus 40, that is 405. Therefore, x square equal to 405 by 5 equal to 81. Since x is the speed of the boat in still water, therefore x equal to 9. Hence, the speed of the boat in still water equal to 9 kilometer per hour. Students, let us solve the problem in alternative method. Let u equal to speed of the boat downstream and v equal to speed of the boat upstream. Therefore, as per given condition, 60 by v minus 60 by u equal to 5. Here see, the boat takes 5 hours longer to travel the distance of 60 km upstream than to travel the same distance downstream. So 60 by v minus 60 by u equal to 5. This implies that 60u minus 60v by uv equal to 5. This implies that 60 into u minus v equal to 5 uv. Here see, the speed of the stream is 3 km. We know u minus v by 2 is the speed of the stream equal to 3. Therefore, u minus v equal to 6. Suppose it is 2. From 1 we can write 60 u minus v means 6 into 6 equal to 5 into uv. Therefore, uv equal to 60 into 6 by 5, that is 72. So we get u minus v equal to 6 and uv equal to 72. Therefore, we can write u plus v whole square equal to u minus v whole square plus 4uv. It is 6 whole square plus 4 into 72, that is 36 plus 288 equals to, this can be written as 4 into 81. Therefore, u plus v equal to 2 into 9, that is 18. Therefore, speed of the boat in still water equal to u plus v by 2. Therefore, the speed of the boat in still water equal to u plus v by 2 equal to 18 by 2 equal to 9 km per hour. Students, here see the problem. The speed of a boat in still water is 15 km per hour and the speed of the stream is 3 km per hour. If the boat covers a round trip journey in 10 hours, find the time taken by the boat to complete the upstream journey. Students, let the boat covers a round trip from A to B and B to A. Here given the speed of the boat in still water equal to 15 km and the speed of the stream is 3 km. Therefore, the speed of the boat downstream equal to 15 plus 3 km per hour, that is 18 km per hour, and the speed of the boat upstream equal to 15 minus 3, the speed of the boat minus speed of the stream, kilometer per hour, that is 12 kilometer per hour. Students, let the distance of AB equal to d kilometer. Therefore, as per given condition, the boat covers a round trip journey in 10 hours. Therefore, d by 18 plus d by 12 equal to 10 hours. That is, it is 36, 2d plus 3d equal to 10. That is 5d equal to 36 into 10. Therefore, d equal to 36 into 10 by 5 equal to 72 kilometer. Therefore, the distance of AB equal to 72 kilometer. Therefore, time taken upstream journey equal to distance, that is 72, by speed, that is 12 hour, that is 6 hours. Students, here given the speed of the boat in still water is 15 km per hour and speed of the stream is 3 km per hour. Therefore, speed of the boat downstream equal to 18 km per hour and speed of the boat upstream equal to 12 km per hour. Students, as per condition, the boat covers a round trip in 10 hours. Therefore, we can write d by 18 plus d by 12 equal to 10. It is the time taken by downstream journey and d by 12 is the time taken in upstream journey and their sum is 10. Therefore, we get d equal to 72. Hence, the time taken upstream equal to 72 by 12. Therefore, 6 hours. Students, the problems of boat and streams are very important in every competitive exams also. So, I advise you to follow the video from beginning to end to learn how to solve the problem. Students, if you learned something from this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my video.
Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the notifications. You can also like the video and share the video in your groups.